You've never seen potatoes cooked like this before, and it tastes absolutely amazing. Welcome again, Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Today, I'm making another unusual but super delicious potato recipe that you'll absolutely love. It's crispy on the outside and soft and cheesy on the inside. Take 2 large potatoes, about 500 grams. Peel, chop and boil them until soft. Once done, mash them well in a bowl. Add half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of paprika, and half a tablespoon of black pepper. Add some chopped parsley and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything together until you get a smooth potato dough. Now divide the dough into 5 equal parts. Roll each part into a long stick shape, press lightly with a fork, and cut into small square pieces. These are your tasty little potato bites. Crack 1 egg into a bowl and whisk it well. In another bowl, add about 200 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of grated parmesan cheese, and a little bit of dried basil. Mix them together. Dip each potato piece first in the egg, then coat it well with the breadcrumb mixture. Your crispy, cheesy potato bites are ready to fry or bake until golden brown. Serve hot and enjoy this super tasty and easy potato snack. See you next time. Take care of your health, and don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks.